G'day guys, so we're back here and we've completed our CLT installation. It's been an incredible 9 days on site. We've learnt so much, myself, my team, XLAM, everybody has learned a lot out of doing this project and being on such a tight site. So although the first week was incredibly frustrating, we had major delays with our transport and the deliveries turning up the site, unloading them, moving stuff around the site, given that we've got no room. To be in this position now where we're done, it's finished, every single panel's been installed, the boys have come through yesterday and completely screwed everything off, and we're actually now starting on some of the internal framing. There's only 5 walls internally that are actually timber framing, and then we've got to build a complete subfloor on this upstairs level. So it's just been, like I said, that first week got a little bit overwhelming. And probably for me, the main reason in that is this job is, like I keep saying, it's been 2.5 years in the making. There's literally been, like I've put thousands of hours into researching, watching videos on YouTube, talking to XLAM. I've just put so much time and energy and money into educating myself on this product, so that we could have the best chance we could at doing a great job, but also the amount of money involved. Like, I think sometimes people don't understand that, like when you're doing a construction like this, like 2 cranes on site, like some days we had 11 guys on site, like the money involved is enormous. And when you do have those delays with the trucks, like just to give you an indication, like with the first truck being a day and a half late and the second truck being half a day late, when you add up the hours that we had traffic control organised and on site, we had 2 cranes sitting on site not doing anything. We had 2 dogmen, so each crane's got to have a dogman with them. We had our trades on site, all of our carpenters, myself, all sitting here waiting for basically 2 days. We're talking in the vicinity of $15,000, $16,000 that is just getting thrown away. And for me, that's really frustrating when we put so much time and energy into organising our jobs. So yeah, and it did. That first week, it just got really overwhelming. I let it get to me. And then, as you would have seen in the videos, like I come up here on the Saturday and I had to think about everything. And when you pushed all the delays and that aside, we actually smashed it out. And this front section, we actually did the ground floor walls, the floor that I'm standing on, and the external walls in 1 day. And then we come back on the Monday, and our delivery, the only delivery, it turned up 45 minutes late. So our last delivery was almost on time. And we actually stood all the handrails that you might be able to see behind me and all the last roof panels. We started standing at about, I think it was 8:30, 8:45, and we were done by 1:30. So obviously by that time in the job, we had a good flow on. The whole team had a bit of a system in place, a process, everyone knew what they were doing. But look, looking back now and reflecting on it, to me, standing out on the road out the front, looking back at, even in its raw state as it is now, it looks like a piece of artwork. Like I'm just so excited to see this job continue and come together, and now seeing it here, having worked with it and installed it, I'm stoked. I'm so wrapped with this product. I can't wait to push it to more clients and work with more architects, designers. I love how sustainable it is. It is very efficient, like now that we've learned. Like I think that's something that like for me, I'm all about data in my business now, and until like it's probably, everyone's probably figured out by now, like this job isn't going to be a profitable job for us, and I'm happy to put that out there. But because it's such a new product, it's the first time it's being done on a small site like this. There's so many unknowns. I've got to cop that on the chin. I've just got to own it. There's a few things that I haven't allowed enough for, but to me that's data. So now I've got to take that data, I've got to reflect on what's going on in this job. I've got to come up with reasons or ways that we can do things better. I've got to have a debrief with XLAM, I've got to have a debrief with the architect, and we just got to work through it all, because I am so confident that we will be able to get this product to an affordable and economical way that we can deliver incredible residential homes to our clients in a smaller a smaller, more efficient, more sustainable sort of way. So, and to take on the volume builders like this, to me, this product is incredible for the industry. It's incredible for us to be able to have the opportunity to deliver our clients sustainable homes. So this is sustainably sourced. It's amazing. So it's been a tough 9 days, but we're here. We've done it. We've finished. We're moving on to the next stage of the job. So stay tuned. And look, if you want to know more about anything building at all, but especially the CLT product, shout out, because we want to become the leaders in this product in southeast Queensland, and we definitely want to take on more jobs with this product because it's just amazing. And believe me, when you see the finishes that are going into this house, the floor, the joinery, the copper cladding on it, when it ties into this product, it's going to be absolutely amazing.